All right, we're gonna take a quick little ride here in a 1934 Ford Tudor sedan. Such a nice car. There's a lot of kit cars out there, and this is a real steel one. It's got steel fenders, and they didn't even fill the top. Just got the little canvas top center. But this is a nice one. It's got a Ford motor in it, so all you Ford on Ford lovers will be happy about this one. No Chevy engine. It's got a 351 Windsor in it. C4 transmission, automatic transmission, 3-speed. Got a 9-inch Ford rear end. It's got some, I don't know what the gear ratio is, but you can cruise this thing on the freeway, 65, 70 miles an hour, no problem. But it's got the nice VDO Gauge setup, old school cassette player. You can modernize that a little bit if you want. But that front window cranks out, gives you a little bit of extra air. But very nice. Suicide doors, air conditioning. It's got vintage air in it. Everybody likes to have some vintage air. Those hot days like today's gonna be. But this is when it's a good time to cruise. Nice early morning, go to Carson Coffee. A fun little car to drive. But yeah, it's got the tilt steering column. It's got power disc brakes up front. So it drives very normal, feels good. It's got the Mustang II front end, original frame that's been boxed and strengthened. But we'll go up here and take some more pictures and videos so you get a little better look at it. This is our walk around video in our 1934 Ford Tudor sedan. Beautiful car, all factory steel. It's got a TCI front end on the factory frame. 351 Windsor with a C4 automatic transmission. Front power disc brakes. It's got rack and pinion steering. Comes along with that TCI front end, or Mustang II. Beautiful. High quality paint. Older paint job, nothing's coming through, nothing's looking funny. The guy took really good care of it. Still has the top, it wasn't filled. Kind of neat, gives it a neat look. These cars are always kept indoors anyway and really well cared for. But it's got vintage air conditioning and heat. Old school cassette player in there. But it drives normal. Really drives good. It's got the big headlights. Love that swooping grille when it drops out there on the 34. It's got the pop-out windshield. Show you the inside real quick here. Nice reclining leather seats. Door panels are finished to match. Tilt steering column, aluminum. Got a nice floor shifter there. Little 3-speed automatic. AC controls are in the glove box. Nice headliner. And of course the back seat. You can take your friends with you in this one. Turn the air on, won't be suffering. Also has a 3-point seat belts for safety. And also has lockout pins too. These suicide door cars have a little pin, pops out once you shut the door. Little added safety that it's closed. You don't want that thing flying open on the freeway. Beautiful car though. Not a kit car like a lot of them. Here's the power plant in our 34 Ford. Nice little 351 Windsor. Got all the Edelbrock goodies on it. Edelbrock heads, Edelbrock intake, Edelbrock carburetor, Edelbrock air cleaner. It's cool. That radiator with a regular fan and also an electric pusher, little parade fan. And this looks like it doesn't have power brakes, but they these old school hot rodders use like a early T-Bird power unit that's underneath the car, so it stops good. Show you this side of the motor. Little trans cooler down there too, in the grill, all hidden away. Steel braided lines. There's your AC lines that go through into the car. It's got a polished AC compressor too. Even the firewall, look at it. They upholstered the firewall. We'll go ahead and fire this one up for you. All your gauges work. Got really good oil pressure, good tight motor, runs cool. 180 to 200 right in there. It's kind of normal for a car like this. Those knockoff Halibrands look great. It's got coated headers. It's not too loud. Nice exhaust going out the back. I like that they left the rubber running boards because when they're painted, we have a 32 here. You got to be real careful. You don't want to scratch them when you get your feet on there. Nice little rumble to it. Well, if you want to check this hot rod out in person, come to California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich. I could give you the rest of the information on this car, we'll talk about it, or you want to get it shipped or financed or you name it, got some options. All right, thank you very much for watching.